Now we will discuss how to deploy an Azure API for FHIR. But before we get into deployment, what is the Azure API for FHIR? So the Azure API for FHIR is a modern REST API that makes it possible to pull and interact with healthcare data. This is an open standard where everything you can think about in healthcare can be modeled as a resource. For example, a patient is a resource, a condition is a resource. And there is a REST API so that you can search the data, update the data, and retrieve the data. So this is implementing stuff so customers can work with the cloud. The Azure API allows you to create and deploy a FHIR service in just minutes to leverage the elastic scale of the cloud. You can pay for the throughput and the storage you need. The Azure service that power Azure API for FHIR are designed for rapid performance no matter the size of the dataset you are managing. So now we will go into actually creating the Azure API for FHIR. So what we want to do is initially we want to create a new resource. And here we will type Azure API for FHIR. And it pops up right here. So we're going to click create. Now we have to enter in the information. So research group, we're going to create a new one. So let's just put Azure resource. Press OK. Azure resource 1. And then for the account name, we're going to save it as demonstration. For the location, this is going to be the location where this is deployed from. We're going to leave it as Eastern US, as this is a geographic location we are comfortable with, and the FHIR version is going to be R4. And we press review and create. Create. And that is it. Alright, as you can see here, the deployment is complete, and if we go to the resource, our Azure API for FHIR resource is there. See you in the next video.